If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Vechain is melting faces, another incredible day. If we quickly go over to the daily time frame to just check how much we pumped today, we are up 7%. We were a little bit higher, I think it was about 8-9%, but we're back down to around 7%. Nice to see that we're looking for this continuation after yesterday's update where we were going through some key levels of support that need to hold going forward for the continuation of this uptrend, so we can hit our targets to the upside. 3.3 cent acting as confluence with that, a 1 fib level. I think that's back from earlier this year, the beginning of this year, all the way back from February, and it's been since October time, all the way down here at 1.6 cent that we were suggesting this almost 100% move to this technical target. No, exactly 100% move to the technical target. So very nice to see that it's all come to fruition after every single day stating that we are retracing back to that high. And then obviously doing the daily analysis saying that we've created the reversal wave over here by reclaiming the golden pocket, confirming its support, breaking out, validating not only the 1 fib level, but targets beyond that point. So let me know in the comment section below if you believe that we can see a 5.7 cent Vechain going forward. Of course, we need to worry about the next level of resistance, the 1 fib level. And we need to, of course, break that. So I really wouldn't be surprised if at first we test it as resistance. We haven't been here since February. It's nearly been 12 months almost, and so it just makes sense once we do meet this target that we'd get a rejection. So in today's update, we're going to run through all those key levels that need to hold. We're going to go over what we said in yesterday's video and how our prediction came true. So yeah, please continue to enjoy, stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 7.5k before the end of this year. And if you want to get educated by myself to learn how you can predict these 100% plus moves, then use the links down below to either join the Discord community to find out my investments and 2 weekly mentorship calls, or if you want the one-to-one mentorship plan, the course or my ebook. And my course is now going to be permanently discounted to £99 because I'm in the process of starting to make a new, more updated and advanced course for more advanced traders. But yeah, this course will teach you from zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader. Everything you need is there to go ahead and build your own strategy, but I provide that as well. So it's beautiful to see that we're up 7% today. In yesterday's update, we drew out all of these key levels. So we marked out the 1 fib level and this yellow line with this purple box and yellow line on this wick. And so we said in yesterday's update that if we lose the 20 moving average, I think we already lost it when I made the video, that we'd come down towards this area over here. I also mentioned that it would be fine to even lose this, but you didn't need to. You just need to pretty much, as we're at this level of support over here to the left, usually I'd use the 1272, but I specifically said in yesterday's update, as we met the 1618 and the 1272 is where you should find support. However, we did actually see some bodies down here and of course reclaim it. So going forward, I want to see that support actually being held instead of the 1272. If we didn't have these bodies down here and they were just on the 1272, then we would have just caught support on that 2.9 cent location. But the reasoning we came down a little bit lower than the 1272 is because of that candle. We didn't come to the 1 fib level, so that's why I had to draw out that area, just so you are aware that yeah, we are, once you lose the 1272, we do come to the 1 fib level. But are there any other things in place? We're not just solely relying on the fibs. Are there any other key levels of resistance? And we spotted that wick. It was also a key level of support after we met the 1618 target, and usually I would say hold the 1272 to continue to the next targets. But for that specific reasoning, to retest this previous wick now as support, resistance flipped into support, and then going forward when we dumped again down into there, we just confirmed the support. This is pretty much forming a double bottom pattern, and we're at the neckline right now getting a rejection. What we want to see going forward is a 4-hour candle close above 3122 on the Binance chart, and with that we're validating this double bottom pattern so we can go ahead and meet this 3.3 cent technical target. So what I'm going to do for you guys is now draw out the neckline and get you the technical target out of this double bottom over here. So this is going to be a nice trade to the upside, pretty much just confirming what we were already saying. So we don't, as you see, as you watch these updates, we get our bias from analyzing the higher time frames. And when we scale down to the 4-hour time frame, when we place a new set of fibs, we mark out all the chart patterns. It's just further confirming our stance. It's further confirming our bias already. So if you want to learn how to go ahead and do that, then just use the links down below. It is in the description of every single update. And as I mentioned earlier, there's multiple things in place. And if you want to hear more about it, reach out to me on Twitter, or at the end of each video, there's a clip that plays so you can find what's to come. But yeah, we've got some further confluence with this 2414 fib, 3.3 cent. So going forward, we just need to maintain this support that we've found today, that we were predicting in yesterday's update, for the continuation. Now, as we're at the neckline and it is resistance for now, it would make sense to fall back to this 20 moving average. So I would say hold above the 1414 fib, and we should just get this continuation higher eventually, a break of this neckline, and then continuation to the target out of the double bottom, as well as the fib levels. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.